Good morning, boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how to use Kami to complete your math assignments, okay? The first thing you're going to do is you're going to log on to your Google account. So from here, okay, there's your initial, the waffles right there. You just click on Classroom, okay, and it'll take you to your Google Classroom, okay? Once you're in there, okay, I want you to open up a new tab. And then right here, you're going to Google Kami extension. Okay, and then enter. And it's going to be the very first one, Kami extension, PDF document annotation. You click on it, and it's going to take you to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, all you have to do is add the extension. I already have it, but I'm going to remove it so you can see how to add it. No, I don't want to uninstall it. So I'm just going to keep right here, add to Chrome. Okay, so all you do is add to Chrome, and then it'll say add extension, yes. Okay, and it's adding it onto my Chromebook or your device. I'm going to turn on the Zinc. Okay, so switch to Esther. Oh, it switched me back. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my Google Classroom, and it should already have it. Okay, go back to your classroom. The extension should already have added onto your device. So now I'm going to open up my math assignment for today. Okay, you're going to watch the 2-minute video on how to tell time to the nearest minute. I attached the Kami instructions again, and I'm going to post this video as well. Okay, when you go to complete your assignment, you're going to go to the PDF. So you're going to open up the PDF. When you get to the PDF, you're going to go over here. There's 3 little dots on the top right. You're going to click there where it says open in a new window. So it's going to open it up in a new window. And then here it's going to give you the option to open it with Kami. It should be in the center of the page. So it takes a minute to download. And then, let's see, it's thinking. Okay, once you get here, you're going to open it with Annotate with Kami. Okay, and the Kami extension should open up so you can complete your assignment. Here, I'm going to show you how to use the different tools on Kami. Okay, so here on the left, you're going to see your tools. Okay, so here, you're going to complete your assignment. It says use the tools on the left to type or draw the times. Watch the video again if you need to. Remember, you have to open with Kami. I added the video again in the assignment page. So here it says write the time the clock shows. So here I need to write the time here. Okay, so remember the shorthand tells you the hour, so it's 8, and it's like a little bit past the 5, so I'm going to say it's 8:26. The way you can do it is you can type it or you can draw it. I'm going to show you both ways. I'm going to show you how to type it. You can put the size that you want. I'm going to do 24. You can even choose the color. So here, I'm going to type it right here, and then I'm going to put 8:26. Okay, so you can also draw it if that's easier for you. You can choose the thickness of the pen. I'm going to do a 4, and I can just put the time right here. Either way is fine with me. 8:26. Okay, and then you would do number 2. Okay, remember the shorthand gives you the hour. So if it's not till 3, it's not at 3 yet, so it's still 2 o'clock. So 2, and then you would count by 5s. Okay, you can even use the drawing tool here to count by 5s because it's all the way over here. It's like a little bit before the 8. So I'm going to say it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And then here I'm going to count 35, 36, 37, 38, It's about 39. So it's 239. So you would write 239. And remember, you can also type it in there. It's up to you how you want to turn it in. 239. Okay, and once you're done with your assignment, all you have to do, boys and girls, is go up here to the top right. It says turn in. Okay, it's right here. So turn it in once you're done. And then turn in. And then I get it. And then you're done with your assignment. Okay, if you have any more questions, just message me on Class Dojo. Okay, have a good day. We'll see you tonight at our Google Meet. Bye.